Hello all, with this lesson we are going to see how to set up our WordPress so that they can be used in a very important tag pages such as meta title and meta description, in addition to the management of the sitemap, which is a fundamental component for the semantic communication of our pages. To do this, we will obviously use a free plugin. There are many free plugins. Our advice is to first use a plugin that allows you to manage both the SEO fields and the sitemap, and this is because the less plugins we install, the better it will be. Two of the most popular and used plugins are definitely All-in-One SEO Pack and Yoast. We will see how to set up them both in two different lessons, as our preference in this project will be for all-in-one, and this because it is very stable and simple plugin to set up. We prefer to use Yoast only when we have a WordPress with a WooCommerce system inside them, which is not the case with this project. This is also the reason why we present in this first lesson the management of an all-in-one. For your convenience, we have already performed its installation so that you do not have to wait for the installation of the components. Then we will then go through the various steps indicating what to do and which settings to apply. You will see that doing it will be very simple. Now we are going to our dashboard. We look for the item plugins on the left. Clicking Add New. In the window that appears on the top right, we will insert the search bar the name of the plugin we are looking for. In our case, we will write All-in-One SEO Pack. The search bar gives us the result. Since it is already installed, the Install Now button is grayed, not the same as for the other plugins you see. For you, click the Install Now and then Activate. Once this installation is complete, the plugin, once activated, creates a new navigation menu on the left, which is called All-in-One SEO, which is what we see. Inside, the first thing we enter is the voice called Featured Manager. In this section, we have to enable these two important boxes that you see now. XML Sitemaps and Robot, both useful for managing sitemap of our site. There you are. Activating them is very simple. Just click the Activate button. Once this installation is finished, the left menu will allow us to display the two related entries, XML Sitemap, there you are, and the robots, which means that this step is completed too. Now we are in the general setting of All-in-One SEO, the section useful for setting the page. We leave everything unchanged, moving to the home page setting, enable the use static from page instead. On the next section on the title setting, rewrite titles is enabled. Now we focus on the home page title format and the page title format box. We have to ensure that the box remain only this writing that you see on the screen. Percentage, page underscore title percentage, and remove the highlighted one. Now we go to the end of the page and update the settings with the update options. Update options. So after the update options, let's look for the XML sitemap. Now from the left menu, select XML sitemap. Here you are. Click here. Here in this area, we have a different options in order to have a clean sitemap that contains only the pages. So we will look on the post type. In the post types, we deselect all post types. Check pages. For this type of website, you check post section if you manage a blog. We uncheck post as this is not a blog. So very importantly, it will be from the entry to follow taxonomies. Deselect all items. As we have done before now, let's move to the end of the page and click on the update Make sure checking all that. And looking for the update sitemap. Update sitemap to update the setting. If we wish, we can go and see the results of our changes by going back to this page. In the entry sitemap status, click View your sitemap. We will see our new sitemap. In this specific case, it will have only 2 pages, a home page and the template SEO page that we had created previously. In the next lesson, we will see the operation of the plugin Yoast, and with the occasion, we will also leave you a small vademecum to remind you of the setting of these 2 plugins. Thank you for your attention and see you on our next lesson. Bye!